Did you know that you can now hire a video game coach to become an online gaming expert? With the growth in e-gaming, more gamers are investing in personal tutoring to help them progress. During the coronavirus pandemic, e-gaming exploded. Tournaments, structured more like those involving professional sports, are drawing massive in-person and online crowds. Recently, one aired in a prime-time spot on ESPN. The best players can make millions. Is it any surprise, then, that gamers are hiring coaches, just like any other athletes? Watch this video to find out.
In the growing e-gaming scene, there's no shortage of aspiring pros. Some coaches are averaging 50 to 60 hours of coaching a week, with back-to-back sessions on the weekends. Many of their students are 12 years old or younger, which is strange given that the standard rate is around $13 an hour. Luckily for these coaches, a growing number of parents now view video games as character-building hobbies just like football or guitar. In that light, it makes sense that they'd hire a coach to improve their children's skills. This new thriving industry has become known as cash for kills. Matching people with pro gamers who advise and counsel has exploded during the pandemic. Some are making nearly $3,500 a month from around 80 hours of coaching. Hence, video game coaching is a rapidly growing business. The rise of esports as a global spectator phenomenon, with annual audience figures now at 450 million, together with the exploding popularity of competitive online multiplayer shooters such as Fortnite, Apex Legends and Call of Duty, Warzone has created a vast customer base of players desperate to improve their skills. Major sites such as Legion Farm, Gamer Sensei and Pro Guides essentially work as global matchmaking platforms, putting eager learners together with established pro players who work as independent contractors, like Uber drivers. Players can pre-book regular sessions with preferred mentors, or just go online and see who is available. There are various tutorial options, from playing alongside a pro for 30 minutes to longer analysis sessions, and the truly committed can pay monthly subscriptions, like joining a gym. Most coaches work by asking players to send them video footage of their latest matches, which they'll then analyze together via video calls. According to special reports by The Guardian and MIT Technology Review, the cost depends on the skill level and prestige of the coach. A 30-minute seminar on how to succeed in esports with famed Valorant streamer and pro player Dicey costs $30, but a spectator game with him for 60 minutes is $120. For many young students, the aim is to become pro players or Twitch streamers themselves, just like their heroes. But the challenge is huge. A common misconception about online shooters is that they're just about running around blasting anything that moves. But consistently winning matches requires a highly tactical approach. Players have to carefully consider which weapons and items their characters carry, depending on their own skill set and the different stages of a match. Positional awareness, combat preparation and threat analysis are also vital.
How are you feeling? I'm here to help. Get yourself a life coach. Email me at michael@coachacademy.com.
One of the biggest discoveries for clients is that they are often going wrong 30 to 50 seconds before the fight even starts, says Apex Legends coach Darian Chen, who goes by the name Hagabao on Gamer Sensei. When playing in a squad, effective team tactics are vitally important, too. Whether it's League of Legends or Call of Duty, each player in a pro team has a role, some attacking, some defensive, some based around specific classes of character, and serious players want to be trained in these play styles. And it's not just about learning hard game skills. Most coaches agree that developing the right mentality is a key part of success in competitive games. League of Legends coach Julia Obara, who goes by the name Akemi Online, says emotional intelligence is a key attribute in her field. A player could be really good mechanically, but if they don't have the mentality, they're always going to be stuck at a certain level, she told The Guardian. I teach players how to work on themselves, how to de-stress, how to stay positive. When they lack confidence or have anger issues, it is generally stuff they're bringing in from their real lives. Empathy is important. You need to be able to talk to the person to get to know what's inside their head so you can help them. It isn't just super serious teenagers looking to turn pro who seek out coaching. Many are older players, people with careers and families, who are just looking to become more competent at something they enjoy and gain status from. Think of the way their parents' generation might have taken golf lessons to impress the boss. Meanwhile, the pandemic has changed the wary relationship many adults had with games. A lot of families were stuck at home together, and although some parents were saying to their children, "Okay, go play games alone," others booked in sessions to learn about Fortnite so they could play with their kids. The relationship between game coaches and clients is an interesting hybrid, combining traditional teacher and student interplay with fandom and, yes, friendship. Their role is as much about emotional support as it is about gameplay. What the game coaching industry shows is the increasing social and cultural capital of gaming. Being good at games has become a lifelong aspiration, something people are willing to put resources into. Games are a place to perform and exhibit competence, like cycling to the office in skin-tight bodysuits, but not as mortifying. Games are also places to talk and process emotions, fulfilling the same roles as five-a-side football pitches and bowling alleys, somewhere between competition and companionship. With average play times passing 8 hours a week, it's no wonder games are so linked with self-worth now. For both players and coaches, it's rarely just about the win. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like it if you did. Meanwhile, be safe and stay home. Bye for now.